Yeah, the wing nut has to be tightened down. There's an O-ring underneath it to keep it from leaking. Yeah, normally on a day-to-day, I just look inside and make sure it's clean in there. And then every now and then I take it off. Like there's 3 or 4 waterers in the chicken barn. So every now and then I take it all the way apart and clean underneath, because I'll show you it gets dirty, and look at how dirty it is under there. Yeah. So that all needs to get cleaned. And I don't have any water to rinse with right now. But